This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox ticket system. This system acts as a distinct in-game currency, offering players exciting opportunities. It allows you to earn special access, acquire unique items, and significantly enhance your overall Roblox experience. Understanding its mechanics is absolutely key to unlocking its full potential, guiding your journey through countless adventures and exclusive features available only through this valuable resource. Earning tickets is straightforward, with several reliable methods available to all players. You can often receive a set number of tickets just for logging in each day, encouraging regular play. Furthermore, many in-game experiences and events reward tickets upon completion, so actively participating in these challenges will boost your collection substantially. Consistent engagement truly pays off here, helping you build your ticket reserves over time. Once you have accumulated your tickets, the real fun begins, spending them on valuable in-game assets. Many players choose to purchase unique avatar items, allowing for personalized expression. You can also acquire special game passes, which unlock exclusive features or areas within popular experiences. Always check the store for limited-time offers, as these often present the best value for your hard-earned tickets, maximizing your investment. To truly master the ticket system, consider developing some advanced strategies. For instance, saving up a significant amount, perhaps 500 or even 1,000 tickets, for a major event can be incredibly rewarding. Look out for announcements about special sales or unique item drops, as these moments offer the best return on your investment. Smart planning ensures you get the most out of every single ticket you earn, making your gameplay more strategic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.